discuss about a case study topic, right? So I am handling your digital electronics subject. So I have taken a topic in our subject itself, right? So the topic I have chosen is automatic patient monitoring and alert system, right? So this is an application-oriented project actually. So let me discuss this topic in detail. So what is a case study actually? Before going to the topic, let me know what is a case study. It is nothing but a detailed study about a topic or a person or an area, whatever it may be. But we have to discuss it in detail. So that is case study, right? So let me discuss about this topic in detail today. Okay. So the case study involves many phases, right? So the first it may be introduction, problem statement, idea, then how about the applications, conclusion, everything else we have to discuss, right? So let me discuss in detail one by one. So first is about introduction. So anyone is ready?
Patient's health must be continuously monitored for safety. Manual observation can cause delays in attending many emergencies, and nurse and doctors can face stress while attending many patients. And the digital system can be delayed, which abnormal varies automatically. And understanding this, we aim to design a system that gives a real-time alert.
Yes. So digital working is very much simpler when compared to the manual working. So we all know that when we are moving to the hospital or seeing our relatives, it is a very highly critical issue actually. Right? Monitoring patients is not an easy job, right? So digital working is very much easier. Okay. So the second one is about problem statement. Yes.
And the problem is lack of continuous automatic patient monitoring. And the goal is usually to maintain FSM-Based detection alarm in abnormal condition. And the system used to monitor parameters like temperature, pulse, and oxygen. And also it compares sensor value with the threshold limit. When limit crosses, it activates a buzzer or audio or visual interface.
Yes. So FSM plays a vital role in these type of applications. So finite state machines, right? So this topic involved you in the unit 5. So synchronous design of synchronous sequential circuits involves these type of finite state machines, right? So using these conditions and all, alert system might be much more easier when compared to normal systems. So that's why FSM is used in this type of case study. Yes, very good. So next is how about the idea behind this?
Yeah, I'm here to talk about the idea. We use the FSM to represent the patient's condition in the 3 types. The first stage will be the medium, and the second stage will be the warning condition, and the third stage will be the very critical condition. This will be alerted in the nurse station, and the microcontrollers handles the patient transmissions.
Okay. So 3 types of alert systems she used, right? So first is when the patient might be in not in a serious condition. Second one will be very emergency situations, right? So at these types of alert systems should be different. It might be a buzzer sound may be different, or colors representation might be different, right? So when you are applying these types of differentiation, then it will be much more easier work, right? Yes. So the next one is how about the applications, right? Anyone is ready? Yes.
Applications pulse sensor, temperature, pulse and oxygen. It's output to the comparator and FSM circuit. Implement of FSM circuit using Verilog and Arduino notch. Really indicates the patient state and buzzer triggers the alarm. Integrate components all in the small hardware board.
Yes. So application we all know. Best real-time application, healthcare oriented applications, right? So right now in the busy schedule of our world, so healthcare should be digitized. So that's only preferred right now, isn't it? Yes. So the last stage is conclusion. How about this is applicable and how about the conclusion will be? So anyone is ready? Yes.
Action and response time. Observe stability during long-term continuous operation.
Yes. So by using FSM, this topic can be much more worthier. This type of case study will be much more worthier, right? So why I have chosen this case study is digital electronics is itself a real-time oriented concept, right? So kindly try to implement these types of case studies in your upcoming projects, mini projects, or might be your final year projects, everything and all. Because so the topics we have studied is combinational and sequential, right? So the combinational circuits are the topics we have studied: adders, subtractors, encoder, decoder, comparators, right? So in many cases, comparators is mostly used in real-time applications, right? So while coming to the sequential circuits, we have studied latches, flip-flops, and the designing working of synchronous and asynchronous counters, right? So that all these individual topics will be used in all the real-time applications. Either it might be in a healthcare or in the industrial oriented. For railway tracking and all, it is very useful applications you are having in digital electronics, in digital system design, right? So please implement all these works in your project. Try to learn much more case studies in these types of topics, in our digital electronics topics, right? So hope you understand about this case study. So hope you understand? Yes. So thank you for gathering, students. Thank you so much.
Thank you.